Yeah, can you get up against the tire there and see who's taller? Here, turn around. Turn around, let's see. Oh, he's taller. He's taller. Yeah. There you go, good job. Nice. Seen the baby rigids before. Those are nice. Oh, there we go. That's what I want to do. Right there. It's a nice truck, huh, buddy? How you doing? Like Legos, buddy. This is Bennett size, huh? Can you get it open? There you go. Nope, that's all his stuff. We'll go back around the other side.
Yes.
Like Jeep makes one, right? Where you can crawl through it.
Did you get any warmer, Boo? Sure. All right. Getting warm for a second.
Where'd your arms go? Where'd your arms go?
Lieutenant Dan.
Where's Mr. Hand?
You ain't got no arms.
Mr. Hand. Oh, there's Mr. Hand.
It started raining and got windy, and my back is just like soaking wet. So a little bit of time to get warm here, and then back in.
Mr. Hand.
That red truck there is very important. When people get big, they will get bigger and bigger and bigger, and you can open that big red truck.
Okay.
So when you get big, you can open that big truck.
I can open it now. Am I big enough?
No, not yet.
I can climb pretty good. I can climb up into that big truck.
But it's too big, so
Let me see what truck you're talking
But see,
about.
it's never too big.
Whoa.
It's never too big.
That is nice. My dream right there. Sometimes I think nothing else matters on the truck pulling a trailer than that supercharger right there. Oh, they got the hideaway winch. Nice.
Oh, just what you're talking about.
Yeah. That is cool.
Did you build that buggy? Did you do that?
Oh, we're gonna walk back here. I don't know if they have it over there, but we'll take a look. There we go. All right.
Complete communications for UTVs, Facebook, toy homes, or off-road.
Is that yummy? Can I have a lick?
Radios, the authority in communications.
Thank you. Fun. And sprinkles are good.
Always a good day when you can just send your dirt bike 75 feet through the air. Who's ready to see some action here? Well, this is a Keith Sayers Freestyle Motocross Show. Top of their tricks are going to be 35 to 40 feet up in the air. 75 feet from the takeoff to the throwing the in the air right there.
That's cool, huh?
First trick of this afternoon. We got a little session in this afternoon. Right there. Let's go. Jared LaRue. He's doing an old school knack there. Jeremy Graff made that famous in Supercross. Here comes Luke Dolan. Luke with a little reverse can action there with Indian air.
Wow.
Same thing, you see them twist his body. They throw their legs at the Indian air. Grab. You're going to see single grabs, double grabs. And you're going to see the size 12 hanging there for the cliffhanger for Keith Sayers.
There he goes. There he goes.
Luke with an executioner. That trick was made famous by Keith Sayers. Double grab. Both hands off the bars. You can see
That
both
was
spots
so
on the
cool.
back of the seat there. Let's give it up, Keith Sayers with a double grab.
Woo!
Here comes Luke Dolan lining up. Let's see what Luke's got. Luke goes for the cliffhanger with ninth extension, hanging off with a size 12 boots.
It's amazing.
Little Indy single grab. Luke's looking for a little love. Come on, Scottsdale, you gotta wake up here. Here comes Sayers. Sayers with a running man. Both hands off the bike, running off the side of the bike, grabbing it and reeling it back in. Here comes Luke. Luke with a little butt wiggle. What do you think? Got any fans out there in the butt wiggle? Woo! Double grab. Oh, Sayers going for the Captain Morgan. He misses it. The other two follow him with it. The captain is in the house. They're up. Two heel clicker flips and a single grab. Let's give it up for Butte, Montana's T. Sayers.
Leave it to Sean Kepler, the Ranger, with the 6-cylinder to be a cheater. But he is definitely known to send it. So last session, everybody was complaining about too much grip, so we aired up the tires a little bit more. So we're gonna be a little bit more tire slinging this time around. Nemo, move on! Sean's gonna send it for the trip, going for the 70-footer. No, they're going wide. They're going real wide. Johnny three-wheeling it in the A-arm truck. Sending it. Send. Oh, jeez.
Scottsdale. These kids want to throw it down for you. He's got it down. He's got that pedal all the way to the Break throwing a little off camber on that berm into a 360 spin.
Good job.